Hello, good afternoon, friends. You can see this one, Royal Tower of London. This one, a fort is like this. Behind it's big, and you can go from inside. This is the entrance. Uh, you can see this one entrance, middle tower. This is the middle tower. You can go straight ahead. See, and here is a London Bridge. Uh, and you can see Thames river. Can you see this one? It's cold. It's minus 2 degrees Celsius. Can you believe this? Minus 2 to 4, minus 4 on daytime, minus 5 still people, 6, 7. There is no boundaries beyond any we can say there's any expectations to see new things. So there's no boundary, like tourists are coming throughout of here, any kind of temperature they feel like heal here. Yeah, so this is like this. Thank you very much, have a nice time.